Hello people, and welcome to Crypto Exposed. Okay guys, got some exciting XRP news for you all. So, as we all know, the XRP ledger is absolutely crushing it right now, hitting major all-time highs in user adoption, network activity, and real-world asset tokenization. Even as the broader market has been choppy, this ledger has been showing real on-chain growth and utility. So let's just break it down. So first, we have the wallet milestone. That's got everyone talking. The XRP ledger has just surpassed 7.7 million non-empty wallets for the very first time in its over 13-year history. That's right, more than 7.7 million wallets now hold a non-zero balance of XRP or other assets on the network. This comes straight from the on-chain analytics powerhouse Sentiment, and it's a huge signal of sustained adoption. Think about it. This isn't just hype or speculation. These are real users holding value on the ledger, even through market dips. It shows the ecosystem is expanding steadily, with more people joining and staying active. And it's not just passive holding, activity is spiking too. Speaking of activity, active addresses on the XRP ledger recently hit a 5-week high of 46,767 on March 16th. That's a clear uptick in real engagement. But the real fireworks are in the transaction volume. Daily transactions have been exploding, peaking at nearly 3 million earlier this week, and consistently sitting above 2.7 million in recent reports. That's a massive jump. Back in February, monthly averages were around 1.3 million per day. And compared to mid-2025 levels of about 1 million or less, this is basically tripling in activity. What's driving this surge? A mix of things. Integrations with stablecoins like Ripple's own RLUSD, heavy institutional DEX trading, ongoing cross-border payments, and a big influx from tokenized assets flowing through the network. The XRP ledger is fast, cheap, and reliable, processing thousands of transactions per second without congestion. No wonder it's seeing this kind of real-world usage. Now, the most impressive part for the long-term bulls, tokenization is going parabolic on the XRP ledger. The value of tokenized commodities alone has rocketed from around $111 million at the start of 2026 to $1.14 billion right now. That's over a 900% increase in just a few months. The XRP ledger now ranks as the second largest platform globally for on-chain tokenized commodities, holding more than 15% of the total market share behind only Ethereum. We're talking real assets here. Precious metals, energy products, diamonds, things like tokenized energy tokens making up huge chunks of that value. Some reports even highlight shorter term surges of over 1,280% in tokenized value in 30-day windows. This positions the XRP ledger perfectly for institutional use cases. Tokenized treasuries, where it dominates a big share, real estate, and other RWAs. With protocol upgrades focused on compliance, scalability, and bridging TradFi to blockchain, the ledger is becoming serious infrastructure for the future of finance. Of course, it's worth noting that while the network is thriving, XRP's price has been more range-bound lately, hovering around the mid-$1 range despite these fundamentals. It's a classic case of on-chain utility growing fast, but token price not always capturing it immediately. Still, with stablecoins, RWAs, and payments ramping up, many see this as setting the stage for bigger things ahead. So, to sum it up, over 7.7 million non-empty wallets, an all-time high after 13 plus years. Active addresses at a 5-week peak of 46,767. Daily transactions nearing 3 million at peaks consistently over 2.7 million. Tokenized commodities exploding to $1.14 billion, making XRP ledger number 2 globally. The XRP ledger isn't just surviving, it's thriving as real infrastructure for payments, DeFi, and tokenized assets. This is the kind of quiet, fundamental growth that often precedes big moves. So what do you think? Is the XRP ledger underrated right now? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if this update got you excited, and subscribe for more XRP breakdowns and the latest news and information. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll catch you all on the next one.